Hi, I'm Alex Chan with AC Design and Backspacer,
Matt McGregor with Carmen Innovations.
and we're here to talk about our new intubation shield.
All right, one of the problems with the plastics being used for intubation shields is most hospitals will clean with bleach. Once you clean with bleach, you end up getting this residue that builds up on the surface, which is kind of oily and greasy. It doesn't really want to come off. Doesn't matter if it's acrylic, which is this material, or PETG. So this kind of makes it harder for them to use. And then also acrylic itself is kind of brittle, so it breaks easily, and we wanted to fix that. So our new style design uses an aluminum frame with magnetic attachment points that allow you to put a 1 1/4 mil plastic sheet that's pre-cut into 60 by 60 over top. It's secured with magnets all the way around. Bottoms are open to allow doctors and nurses to get in there and work with the patient. When they're done, pull the magnets off, throw the sheet away, and then wipe down the rails.
The system has been redesigned to be significantly stronger and sturdier than previous designs. The magnetic mounts are movable and allow medical staff of different heights to access the patients. Additionally, the design can be customized for each hospital to allow different dimensions.
Happy to provide this to hospitals free of charge.
Just reach out to us anytime via email.
Thanks.